Today I'm going to be reviewing this DIY journal kit for girls. Let's open it up and see what's inside. What do you think about it?
It looks very cute and pretty. It looks like I'll really love it.
It looks like you love it. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. It looks like it has a lot of really cool stuff.
Yeah.
Right. So this DIY journal kit has so many cute things. It has this really beautiful journal.
Yeah.
And then it has these frames. It brings these really cool little stickers. It has a charm for your journal, pencils. It brings stickers, a glue stick. It brings magnetic paper, like bookmarks, yeah, page marks. It's really cool. And then you have a whole other layer here with gel pens. Let's see what else. You have another journal that's really awesome. And then you have all these beautiful stickers. Look how pretty.
There's some more too.
And then you have some journal tape.
They're like glitter tape. I really love this journal kit and I can't wait to use it.